It's been a minute. It's been a minute. It's been a couple weeks. The sun's setting right now behind the mountains. It's going to get dark pretty quick. And Spirit was like, you need to do a video. Today I went out for an Omen Walk, or what I'm calling an Omen Walk, which in Celtic traditions is during the 12 days of Christmas. You go out and you ask the natural world to give you signs for the year ahead. So I started this on Saturday, the 26th, which was day 1, and today is day 3. And I'm still digesting it. I'm writing everything down, but it's like there's a lot of processing, and I'm moving into the busiest time of year, and I need to, the guidance that I'm being given is that we need to tap into that sacred creativity within us that's in that place of alignment. Someone's burning a fire in the distance. There's a lake. It's mostly frozen, but there are still Canadian geese that you'll hear in the background as if they're laughing, as if someone's told a wonderful joke. The sky here is quite expressive, and as I've been on my walks, the clouds have been speaking to me. Yesterday, I didn't get my Omen Walk in until it was dark, and the moon had risen, the egg moon. She's going to be full tomorrow. And she looks like an egg now. That's why I'm referring to her as the egg moon. But as I was gazing upon the moon, and it was really cold, there was a haze in the sky with the exception of the area around the moon. And the shape of the haze around the moon took the form of, well, it seemed to shape shift between 2 different forms. It was like a beaver, and then it shifted into a tortoise. Or it was a tortoise, then a beaver. And it was like, whoa, whoa, whoa. And I want it to be tortoise because I have one. And she's with me here. I brought her. And what the vibe that is coming through right now is that as we're prepared to move into this new calendar year, and there's this racing forward that we have, and the guidance that I'm getting right now is like, you don't need to sprint. In fact, don't. Just move forward. It's not all or nothing. It's consistent, steady steps forward. It's deep breaths, often. And so let's breathe together now, and let's, whoever is open to receiving Reiki energy for their highest good, give yourself permission to receive. And as you breathe, I want you to connect to the sky above you and the earth below you. I think a bat just flew by. My eyes are very slightly open. And I just want you to tap into the earth below you and the sky above you. And I want you to feel this axis of light through you. And give yourself, invite peace and calm into your body. And as you breathe, allow yourself to open to that which you are. There is a part of you that is peaceful. There is a part of you that is calm. Open up to that part of you. It's okay, you're safe. Remind yourself you're safe. Give yourself permission to let go of anything you do not need, named and unnamed, known and unknown. Just relax and allow tension to release from your body. Take a deep breath, roll your shoulders back. Whether you see it or not, you're in a very different place than you were when this all began. I began in the same place where I am now, and my outlook is so different. My belief is so much stronger. Our connections are stronger, even though we are far apart. Our connections to what is most sacred within us. Let's connect to that. And as you exhale, let yourself drop down into the soil, into the depths, into the depths of the earth, into the depths of the season, into the depths of your soul. Inhale, draw that energy up like a fountain. Exhale, shoot it up like a fountain out through the crown of your head. So tap back as you exit, then reach back down, tapping into the wellspring, drawing it up on the inhale. The wellspring of healing, feeling that connectedness between heaven and earth through you. As you breathe in, draw that energy up along your spine, feel it, allow it, open up to it, allow the best of you to arrive here and now. You're safe. You're in a place of love. breeze just flew in on the part of the lake that isn't frozen. So some things are frozen and some things are flowing. We're in a strange liminal place right now. Embrace the beauty of that, which is the now moment, which is the unknown that is arriving, the unknown you that you're expanding into. Embrace that beauty, that adventure. Embrace it as you breathe it in now. Receive yourself in the light that you are. Yeah, so let's move slowly forward, not leaping, not abandoning, not severely cutting ties, because there's something that's here now that we have to be consciously, consistently moving through, especially, I'm feeling, especially until January 6th. There's a shifting that is happening. There is a rebirthing that is happening. There's a wonderment that is being reborn within all of us. A child of wonder, a child of light. Our inner starlight burning bright. Be aware of the sky above you and the earth below you. Be aware of the starlight burning bright deep within the heart of you. Take a deep breath and expand that starlight and feel it connected to the stars above and the star within the earth. Feel the starlight all around, within and without. May the starlight banish all fear and doubt as we cross these thresholds and move through this liminal time together. Take a deep breath in. Bless yourself at the top of the breath. Thank yourself for the work that you're doing on you right now. Exhale, release. Meditation focus as I create calm within me with every breath and by the way I think. I create peace within me with every thought and every breath. I am peace. I am peace on earth. Be aware of the sky above you, the earth below you, a direction before you, behind you, left and right, and deep within your center. Feel yourself centered within the infinite. Take a deep breath in. Blessed be. And thank you. Until we connect again.